there was a very heavy metal piece which was going to be played by one particular team. Now this was a competition. We used to go for many competitions. So that team chose to perform heavy metal. Normally heavy metal everybody likes. Heavy metal means screaming, yelling, bass guitar. That is heavy metal. And it's like noise practically. Noise. We used to do heavy metal jamming. When musicians come together, it's called jamming. We used to do jamming of heavy metal. After that, literally, I would need 3-4 hours of sleep. For what? For peace. उस समय अच्छे लगता था, लेकिन जैसे ही निकलो, बाप रे, इतना सर दर्द होता था. We used to feel somebody is beating us on the head. So this kind of. So there was a band competition. In that, this band, they did heavy metal. The guy took the mic. He started shouting like that. सब डर गए उधर. He had long hair, and the people in the front, they also had long hair, so they put their head and they did something, head banging they call it. So everyone was doing this head banging like this, and the drummer like that. Somehow the judges were a little sattvic, decent guys, and they were getting bewildered. Arey, kya chal raha hai? I think this guy, the singer, is going to get ulti. The drummer is going to get, he's going to nauseate, and he's also going to vomit. And the guitarist banging. And in the end, these people, what they did was, they broke the electric guitar. They broke the bass guitar. The guy with the drums, he broke the drums. Usne mic tod diya. Again Sangha. Yes, they actually did it. And everybody was stunned. अरे गिटार, बेस गिटार, वो सब ठीक था. ड्रम तो इंस्टीट्यूशन का था, उसको कैसे तोड़ सकते हैं आप लोग? Then the other teams couldn't perform, and you were like, how they are going to react? Oh, pray. And the guy broke the mic also. अभी कहाँ से mic लेके आएंगे? And this band was blacklisted. ये कोई भी किसी बैंड को ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते. We'll remove their names from everything, and people can get so much heavily influenced by Rajogun, Tamogun kind of music. And I was like wondering, this was, I got a preview of Hellish Planets. Kaise hota hai? And there were some of them who were cheering them also. That means even in Hellish Planets, people have some followers. They were all cheering. Yeah. जब वो चले गए तो सब लोग, boo, what is this? Boo. अरे उनको लाओ वापिस. So they became fans. So like this, music can also make a person crazy. It's very crazy.